Now paper number 50. Now CGL tier 1 paper number 50. Then in this question number 1, 13,676. Now 676 can be written as 26 square. Then how do you get 26 with the help of 13 into 2? Into 2. Then in the same way, 20 into 2, 40. 40 square is not 600. 12 into 2, 24. And 24 square is not 675. 21 into 2, 42. 18 into 2, 36 square. Amautunda ravatledu kada answer. Then hence it is ruled out. But whereas now when this is multiplied with 13 into 2, then only it can be written as 26 square. Avuna kada? మరి into 2 తో ఎందుకు చేసాను చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ? Because 1 plus 3 is how much? 4. 1 plus 3 is 4, isn't it? And square root of 4 is 2. అలా రాసుకోవచ్చా లేదా? Then in the same way, now here 1 plus 2 plus 0. And 2 plus 0 is how much? 2. And square root అయితే రావట్లే. ఇక్కడ కూడా రావట్లే. Now 1 plus 8 is how much? 9. Now square root of 9 is how much? 3. 18 into 3, 54. Now 54 square, 2916, choice 4. Then question number 1, it is choice 4. Then second one chesara, and 50 and 173. Then what is the difference to have? 23. Next difference is how much? 30. Next one is how much? 39. Next one 51. Then 23 and 30 difference is 7. Now here the difference is 9. Next one is how much? 9. 11. 12. Now 7 and 9 difference is 2. 9 and 12, 3. And 12 plus 4 is how much? 16. Now 16 should be added. Now 51 plus 16, 67. When added to this one, 293 plus 67. Mentraval Japan 360 choice. Saripenda? Then third one. Minute hand of a clock pointing towards south at 12 a.m. And 12 a.m. both the hands are at 12 o'clock. Minute hand as well as our hand is at 12 o'clock. Now this minute hand is at facing towards south. Then at 3 a.m. also the minute hand is facing towards at 12 o'clock only. Now this 12 is pointing towards south. South is also choice. Isn't it? Follow here లేదా? మా 12 o'clock minute hand ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 12 దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. 3 o'clock కూడా minute hand 12 దగ్గరే ఉంటుంది. Now 12 o'clock is pointing towards south. Now also this will be pointing towards south. Then fourth one, there are some 6 persons and live in a different floors. Now 1 and 6 persons lives on 6 different floors, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Then first one, T lives immediately below the floor on which R lives. Now T is immediately below the floor on which R. S lives immediately below Q and Sc is immediately below Q, Q and S. Okay? And T lives on one of the floors below Q and S. Now T is below Q as well as S. Now T is below both these two Q and S. And Elara Japani aren't. In between these two, they may or may not be any this one. And T lives, Q lives immediately below the floor on which U lives. Now Q is immediately below U lives. And so U, Q, S. R lives immediately below S. And R is immediately below S. Isn't it? Then, now who lives on the third floor from the bottom? As third floor from the bottom, tell me who is that person here? And third from the bottom, as of now, U, Q, S, R, T. Now U, Q, S, R, T, and P. This is the possible. Now in the second case, if you take U, Q, S, R, T, then what about this P? My P acronym. P must be on the top. But whereas now T lives on one of the floors above on which P lives. T is above P and this case is ruled out. Hence, which is third from the bottom? R. R that is given choice for question number 4. And fifth one, now when this figure is folded like this, then how this figure will appear? Now this line, which is from slantingly from top right to bottom, this will turn like this, isn't it? Then In the same way, మన నెక్స్ట్ ఏముంటుంది చెప్పండి, నౌ దిస్ లైన్. నౌ ఈ లైన్ మనకి ఎలా రావాలి, ఇలా రావాలా లేదా? నౌ అమాంగ్ ద గివెన్ చాయిసెస్, దెన్ వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ హియర్? చాయిస్ 1. మెల్ల దగ్గర వెళ్దాం. దెన్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ హియర్? నో లైన్ అయితే ఇలా రావాలి కదా ఫస్ట్ వన్, అండ్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఈ స్మాలర్ లైన్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎటు రావాలి? నౌ దిస్ స్మాలర్ లైన్ మస్ట్ ప్రెజెంట్ అక్రాస్ దిస్ వన్. ఇలా రావాలా లేదా? దెన్ ఆపోజిట్ టు దిస్ వన్. ఒక్క నిమిషం. నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద బిగ్గర్ లైన్, ఇదైతే మనకి లైక్ దిస్. దెన్ ద సెకండ్ లైన్ ఇప్పుడు ఎటు పక్క రావాలి చెప్పండి, చిన్నది. ఇది ఇటు నుంచి ఇటు స్టార్ట్ అయింది, అవునా కదా? ఇటు నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఎటు నుంచి రావాలి చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు నౌ దిస్ మస్ట్ బి ప్రెజెంట్ లైక్ దిస్. ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి, ఇలా రావాలి. దెన్ మా ఈ రెండు మనకు వచ్చింది. నౌ దిస్ విల్ బి యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ దిస్. దెన్ చాయిస్ 2 ఈజ్ ద ఆన్సర్. And fifth one missed out. Then question number 5. Now it is based on odd man out. Now this odd man out, E, Z, J, K and C. E, Z, J, K and C, the difference between the elements is not following a particular pattern. Here manaki anta -5. Here the difference is how much? And plus. Here it is, and a huge difference is there. And they are not following a particular pattern difference. Then we need to go for a vowel and a consonant. One vowel. Here there are 2 vowels and 2 vowels. Now vowel and consonant is also ruled out, isn't it? Then now the third and the fourth letters, they are consecutive letters J and K. Now here in this one, now H and I, here T and U. But is in the second one, and none of the pairs of letters are consecutive, and so choice 2, question number 5. Clear? Except in choice 2. And in the remaining, now the third and the fourth letters are consecutive letters. Then coming to sixth one, now we need to find out I pen. Then seventh one, now blood relation. Now A star B. Star stands for what? And star is mother. A is the mother of B, and next one B plus. And B is the brother of S. A is the mother, B is the brother of S. And B is the brother of whom? B is the brother of C. And next one, B is the brother of C, and C hash. And a hash stands for and sister. Now C is the sister of whom? C is the sister of D. And C is the sister of D, D plus. Now D is the brother of E. Now this D is the brother of E, and these 4 persons are siblings. E dollar. Dollar stands for E is the wife of F. Now E is the wife of F, E and F are a married couple. Then in this, then which of the following statements are correct? A is the mother-in-law of F. A is the mother-in-law of F, definitely true. F is the brother of C, that is false. F is the brother-in-law of C. And so only one choice 1, question number 7. The next one, 8th one. Now in this question number 8, now we need to find out select the correct combination of mathematical symbols. Then starting with choice 1. Now this is into and plus equal to plus 36. How much is that? 100. 100 divided by how much? 4. That is 25. 25 minus and 28 plus 15, 43. And 25 minus 43 equals to how much? Minus 18. Minus 18, that is choice 2, question number 8. The next 9th one. Now C will do is written as so and so. How will play be written in this one? Play. Where is this word play? Now we do play, that is in the third one. Now we need to find out we and do. Now we is common between the second and the third. And which is common? BPU. And play and will is do is common between the first and the third. And what is the code that is common? JBU. Then what is left out? DBU. Is the code to the word play, choice 1, 9th one. Then next one, question number 10. My 10th one chestunara. Now here, now we need to arrange all the words in the sequence. Now what is the sequence we follow here? And first, checkpoint, isn't it? Then a hierarchical order in the chess. Then next one is what? And cheesecake 1, 3. Next one, now dictionary order. Now in this dictionary order, CHE. Next one, CHEE. Then next one, CHEM. And so 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 between 4 and 2. 4 comes first, choice 3. 10th one. Then next one, 11. Now KME, QPS are the 6 members of a family. Now P is the son of whom? P is the son of Q. P is the son of Q. Q who is not the mother of P. Q is not the mother means Q is the father. M is the brother of Q. Now this M is the brother of Q. S and Q are married couple. Q is a male, S is a female. S and Q are married couple. And E is the daughter of S. Now this E is the daughter of S. Then S is the sister of K. Now this S is the sister of K. Then how is P related to E? Now P is the brother of E. Brother, choice 2, question number 11. Then 12th one. Now in this 12, now some sweets are fructose. And some sweets are fructose can be written like this, sweet and fructose. And all fructose are lactose. And no lactose is maltose. No lactose is maltose. And first one, some lactose is fructose, definitely true. Some sweets are lactose, that's also true. And some fructose is maltose. Some fructose is maltose is false. And so what is your answer? Only 1 and 2. Now both the conclusions that are true, these two are affirmative. They will be true forever, no need to draw an alternate diagram. Choice 3, question number 12. The next one, 13th one. Now in this question number 13, we need to find out the next figure into this. Now if you check out this arrow, and the arrow is at the bottom, right hand side, left hand side, again right hand side, left hand side. Now this arrow must be present towards the right hand side like this. And arrow towards right hand side. Now these two were ruled out, now we have left with. Then coming to this figure. Now 3-sided figure repeated twice. Then 4-sided figure repeated twice. Then 5-sided figure. Now 5-sided figure, that is choice 1, question number 13. The next 14th one. Now in this question number 14, then 693, D stands for what division? Now 693 divided by 11. And A is what? Addition. And next B stands for multiplication. And C stands for subtraction. And D stands for division. And A stands for what? Addition. And C is for subtraction. Then what is the value? Now 693 divided by 11. Amma cheppandi enta vastundi? 63. Now 63 plus 31 into 4. How much? 124 minus 162 divided by 6. 162 divided by 6. 27. 27 plus and 56 minus 14. 42. Then tell me what is the value of this one. And 63 plus 123. And 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 minus 7, 2. And 2. Then what is the value here? And choice, Mentos choice 202. The next one. And 15th one, a shopkeeper packed 84 cakes into 3 baskets. What are those 3 baskets? P, Q, and R. Now P, Q, and R are the 3 baskets. There are twice as many cakes in the basket R as there in P. Now if in P there are X, R it will be 2X. And in R as there are in P, and twice as many baskets in P and Q as there in R. And P plus Q equals to double to that of R. R how many we have? 2. And P and Q we need to have 4. Out of which this is X. This must be how much? 3X. Now total is how much? 6X equals to 84. 84 divided by 6 is X. How much is that? 14. Now we need to have Q. 14 into 3, 42, choice 3, 15. The next one, 16th one. Raju leaves his college now to go to the library and walks 20 meters east. Now A is the starting point. From here, 20 meters towards east. He then walks 35 meters towards west. From here, 35 meters towards west, 20. And this is 15, 35. and a further 5 meters north. From here, 5 meters towards north like this. And he then turns towards east and walks how many meters? 15. Isn't it? And 15. And find the straight distance in between his initial and the final. Now this is the initial position, this is the final. Now what is the distance between these two? 5 meters, choice for 16th one. Then 17 was 17, P and O. P and O, minus 1, minus 1. L, M, N, O and P. Now L is the first letter here. Then second, B and D plus 2 plus 2, H plus 2 is J, L, J. And third one, M minus 3 minus 3, D minus 3 is A. L, J, A, choice to question number 17. The next one, 18th one. Now in this 18, papaya consists of vitamin C. And in the same way, then guava, vitamin E is ruled, A is ruled out. Then apple and gooseberry is again, and a vitamin C, that is choice 3, 18. The 19th one, now in this question number 19. Now select the correct mirror image to this one. Mirror image, now E. Now E must be to the left hand side and reverse. Now E left hand side reverse, this is ruled out. And the remaining are okay. Then coming to this arrow. My arrow towards south, it is right hand side, it must be left hand side. Left hand side down, and this is ruled out. Now we have left with these two. Then what is the difference here? The triangle. Now triangle must be in the same order, isn't it? And this is ruled out, choice 4. And next one, 20th. Now in this question number 24, number of pairs were given. Then out of these 4, and select the one that is different. What is the answer? Second. Why it is second? Now 14 into 9. Now here 22 and 194. Tell me it is multiplied with how much? Initial both 22. Most of the 22 into 7. Isn't it? And 8 is also ruled out. Now 18 into 9, 160. 17 into 9. Except choice 2. First number into 9 is the second number. 20th. Then 21st. Now in this 21st, how many elements were there? 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First letter is S. And second letter is A, F, A, S, N. F, A, S, N. F, A, S, N. F, A, S. A, N, S, F, A. A, N, S, F, A. That is choice for question number 21. Then 22nd. Now in this 22nd, E, X, T, E, N. E, X, T, E, N, S, I, B, I, L, I, T, I, S. How many such pairs of letters are there? Isn't it? Then must starting with E. Consonant E. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Mundara the E to S, there is a pair. Then X. No letter more than this one. T kanna pedda letter led right hand side, no need to count. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. And next one N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. And next one S. And S kanna pedda letter led. I, J, K, L. And we have one more. And L, M, N, O, P, Q. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And I, J, K, L, M, N, O. L, M, N, O, P, Q. I, J, K, L, M. That's it. And left hand side to right hand side, there are 2. And again in the reverse. In the reverse, S kanna pedda letters and levu kada. And next one E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. E to N, there is one more. Unda leda? E to N. The next one, and N, O, P, Q, R. And next, J, I, J, K, L. I, J, K, L, next one, I to L. As of now, we have got more than 3, that is choice 1, 22nd. Then in this 23, and how many persons are there? And there are some 7 persons. Now these 7 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now these 7 persons are sitting in a row facing towards south. Then no one sits to the right of Q. None of the persons are sitting to the right hand side of Q, hence Q must be here. None of them are to the right of Q. And U sits in between P and R. Now U is in between P and R. U is in between. R sits second to the left of Q. R is seated second to the left of Q. And S is not an immediate neighbor of P. S and P are not adjacent to each other. అవునా కదా? And U is in between P and R. As U is in between P and R, U is here, P is here. మరి సరిపోయిందా? Then S is not immediate neighbor of P. S cannot be at this place. And only 3 persons between S and T. Now 3 persons between S and T, S cannot be here as well. And so where should this S is here. And 3 persons T is here. T is here, V is here. Then who sits at the extreme left hand of the row? Extreme left hand of the row, that is V. Choice 2, question number 23. Then 24th one. Now in this question number 24, now we need to check out for what? And check out for embedded. Now Japan, now in this embedded, what is your answer in this case? Third option. First one la a chance leda. Now first one there is this is the straight line. Then from here, and slant line is not there. And coming back to the second, now here also this is not present. Now here, this is the line we are talking about. Next from here, isn't it? And again this line. Then, and so what is your answer? Choice 3, 24. Then next 25th one. Now in this 25th, the given Venn diagram, circle represent what? Ladies. And triangle represents teachers. And rectangle represents unmarried. Then the number given in the diagram represents the number of persons in that part. Find the number of ladies who are unmarried. Ladies who are unmarried, ladies, and all these are the persons who are ladies who are unmarried. Now 2 plus 9, 11. And unmarried teachers. Now they must be teachers as well. As they must be teachers, this 2 does not fall under that category. And there are only 9 ladies who are unmarried but teachers. Choice 3, question number 25.